Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking world where this chatbot revolutionizes how you handle tech complexities. Get ready for a tech transformation like never before. Are you tired of dealing with complex technology issues in your business? Do you want a virtual assistant that can understand your business needs and evolve with them? If yes, then you're in luck because Amazon Q is here to save the day. This superhero chatbot is designed to revolutionize the way you handle tech complexities in your business. Get ready to experience the groundbreaking world of Amazon Q. Amazon just released Amazon Q, a super smart chatbot for businesses. Picture a robot assistant that creates Jira help desk tickets, writes code, and manages stuff on Amazon Web Services. Dr. Swami Sivasubramanian, AWS VP of Data and AI, says Amazon Q simplifies high-tech stuff for everyone, like a superhero for any business. This chatbot isn't just smart. It's a good listener, answering questions about the best ways to use AWS. Amazon Q isn't one size fits all. It learns about your company and adapts to your tasks. Imagine Amazon Q with 40 connectors for popular apps like Amazon S3, Dropbox, and Google Drive. It teams up with AWS's programs to generate reports and handle call centers. There's even a plan to help businesses with supply chain questions. No need for a PhD. Amazon Q is trained on 17 years of AWS knowledge, making it super smart without overwhelming you. Here's a heads up. While Amazon Q is a tech superhero, it's not perfect. It might stumble on tricky questions but excels at creating language models. Amazon Q knows about the latest tech gadgets like the AI accelerator chip Trainium 2. It's like having a tech guru by your side. The best part? Amazon Q's got your back. Ask something weird, and it politely says, "Sorry, I can't answer that. Ask me something cool about AWS instead." Let's talk business. Amazon Q has two plans: the Business account for $20 per user per month and the Builder account for $25. Spend a bit more on the Builder account, and you get fancy AWS tools like integration with Code Whisperer, Amazon's coding wizard. As we wrap up this journey into the future of business tech with Amazon Q, don't miss out on the chance to supercharge your workflows. The era of seamless integration, adaptive learning, and simplified high-tech tasks is here. If you're as excited about the future as we are, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech wonders coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative,